In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp using Zapier. This integration will help you streamline your workflow and automate various tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your business. Before we dive in, make sure that you have both QuickBooks and ClickUp accounts ready to go. Once you're set, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Zapier's homepage. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your apps and automates workflows, and it's the key to linking QuickBooks and ClickUp. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, just follow the prompts to get signed up. After logging in, find the Create button on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can start building a Zap. Zaps are automated workflows that connect your apps, and they work based on a trigger action mechanism. In this case, we'll set it up so that a certain action in ClickUp will trigger a corresponding action in QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to search for the integration in Zapier. To do this, head to the Zaps tab and type in Integrate ClickUp with QuickBooks Online in the search bar. This helps Zapier understand what kind of automation you're looking for. After inputting your search terms, hit the Send button. Zapier will start fetching the integration options available for your chosen apps. Once the options load, it might take a few moments, so be patient. Zapier is setting up the framework to connect both services effectively. You'll see prompts guiding you through the process. Pay close attention as you follow these instructions because they ensure that your integration will work correctly. You'll then be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account. This connection step is crucial because it authorizes Zapier to access your QuickBooks and ClickUp data to create seamless automation between them. Follow the steps provided to authorize the connection. After providing the necessary authorizations, you'll click on Sign in to QuickBooks Online. You'll receive a prompt for any permissions needed for Zapier to connect seamlessly with both applications. Go ahead and click Yes, continue to QuickBooks Online. Finally, after successfully signing in, you'll follow any additional instructions provided by Zapier to finalize this integration. Once completed, you should have a working automated flow between QuickBooks and ClickUp. This powerful integration will now automate tasks such as creating invoices, tracking expenses, or managing projects, smoothing out your workflow and saving you valuable time. And there you have it, your QuickBooks and ClickUp accounts are now integrated, thanks to Zapier. By following these steps, you've enabled a productive partnership between your apps, making day-to-day operations more efficient. Try experimenting with different triggers and actions to see how you can further tailor this integration to suit your business needs.